Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your admin password and name for Tenda router. And to do this, first you will need to connect your phone or your PC with your router. Then go to the website 192.168.0.1. Then you will need to log in. And after that, we can click on three lines in the top right corner of the screen and move to internet settings. Then there's a username that we can change right here. And the password, it needs to have, I think, at least 5 digits. So in this case, I'm gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then click on OK and your password as well as the name should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.